All right, y'all. So this video is going to show you how to do your fitness log. I've noticed there's been some issues with this. So you just go ahead and click on your fitness log. And when it opens up, what you can do, just real quick, this is for translation. So if you want to translate to a different language, you can. I'm just going to leave it in English. And right here is where the log is, right? So this is your fitness log. And what you want to do is, so this is it, right? You can translate it. If you needed to read out loud, you could do that. But what we're going to do right now is download it, right? This is what you got to do to fill this out. And you can do a Word doc if you have Google, if you have Microsoft Word, you can download it that way. And when you do that, it opens up and you can just start. Oops. When you do enable editing, then you can just start basically like writing on it, right? And so some of y'all have Google Word. That's you have to pay for that, so not everyone has that. And I don't think our Excel computers have that. But what you can do is here go to PDF and you download it, and then it opens up or pops up right here, so you can open it up right there. If it doesn't open up, you can always go to your little file folder right here, look for this thing, and then just wherever you see download, it will be the last thing that you downloaded, right? So we download this right here, and it's going to ask you to sign in. When you sign in with your Google student account, right? So mine has already signed me in. And so when you're ready to start writing on this, you would just click this right here. You see this? It says fill in form fields. So you click that, and it says type text. That's what you want, right? Because you want to type your text. And so 0903, that's the date today. The duration, so it should be 30-minute workouts. You can do that. I'm here, at home, at gym. I have dumbbells and things like that at home, so I would just put home. But if you go to the gym, you could do that there, right? So remember, y'all, this is a weekly thing, right? So you do 4 workouts in a week, 1, 2, 3, and then down here you have 4. You don't have to do 5th, but you can if you want to. And so these are what is recommended that you do right here. But if you don't want to do those, you don't have to. And yeah, let me just bring that up. If you like messed up right here and you're like, oh, I didn't mean to put that, you can just hit the trash can right there and it will delete that, right? And so you do all 4 of your workouts, 30-minute workouts, and then at the end of the week, you turn one in. Remember, if this is the fitness log number 1, you do that one in week 1. If it's fitness log number 2, you do that in week 2, right? And then over here at the bottom where it says next week proposed plan, you just put what are you going to do for your warm-up, so like treadmill or walk or whatever, workout, what your actual workout is, how you cool down, and so on, right? And so you could do that 3. It's only for 3. That's fine. You can fill that out. But remember, do 4 workouts per week. Y'all, and if all of this is like an issue and it's hard for you to do all this stuff like a PDF, filling it out, all that, you can just write this down on a piece of paper and then or on Google Docs, and you can submit it that way, right? If you're not good with Google Docs, you can write it down on a piece of paper, take a picture of the paper, and then just submit it that way, right? So you hit save it on the computer. Fitness log number 1. If you wanted to, just right here, whoops, let's not get rid of the 1 because this one's showing that it's fitness log number 1. But if you wanted to, you could put the day's date. So 09, and put a point 03 because it doesn't recognize like dashes and things like that. So I'm just going to save it like that. And then when you go to your assignment, right, when it's time to upload it, you would just go into this right here. So when you upload it, you would just go to where it says upload commented file. You choose the file. I think I may have put mine under documents. Yeah. But if you don't put it under documents, it'll usually pop up in downloads. And so right here, you see it has the date on there like I put. And so you would just do that, open, upload file, and then it pops up right here, right? So that is how you would do your fitness log. And again, if it's for week 1, do for fitness log number 1. If it's for week 2, do fitness log number 2. And that is how you submit your fitness log.